Groundwater used to irrigate rice is contaminated by arsenic that is naturally present underground. This arsenic, carried by the irrigation water, is then deposited in rice fields and accumulates in the soils over years. Our team of researchers is studying how rice yields are affected by arsenic and what can be done to fix the problem. We found that rice production is reduced by as much as 20% by the buildup of arsenic in the soil from irrigation water. To figure this out, we excavated soil and moved it between small plots in 20 different rice fields, some fields with arsenic contamination and some without. We weigh and record the rice harvested from all these plots. In this way, we compare the rice yield between soil with and without arsenic contamination, so that we can determine how much rice yield is damaged by arsenic buildup. We have also shown that the problem can be temporarily fixed by replacing the top 10 centimeters of soil with uncontaminated soil. The problem of providing uncontaminated water, both for irrigation and more importantly for drinking, remains largely unsolved. Bangladesh is unlikely to have uniformly safe water until it has piped water from centralized treatment systems, much like the rest of the world does.